Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the E flat minor chord. So first, locate your first note, the E flat, place your first finger there. Locate your next note, the G flat, put your third finger there. And the last note is the B flat, place your fifth finger there. So there you have it, the E flat minor chord. Now, because the E flat minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord or a triad, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or the root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom, right? To get the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the E flat, all the way to the top like this. Then move your hand. This inversion is called the first inversion. To get the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, this time the G flat, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called the E flat minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion, moving the bottom note, this time B flat, all the way to the top, like this, we will in fact be back at the root inversion once more, only one octave higher than where we started from, right? And of course you can go the other way. So this is E flat minor root inversion. Now move the top note all the way to the bottom, move your hand. This is E flat minor second inversion. And let's do one more, the top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is called E flat minor first inversion. And to get all the way back home, move the top note to the bottom like this, move your hand, and you're back home at E flat minor root inversion. Okay, let's do it one more time. E flat minor root inversion, E flat minor first inversion, E flat minor second inversion, E flat minor root inversion. And now the other way, root inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, root inversion. Okay? Now to practice these inversions, simply play like this. And lastly, let me show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the E flat minor chord. Remember this? Yeah. And this one? Yes, please, thank you. See you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.